I just hope everybody understands that working out doesn't have to be always doing something that's just so boring, because when you're exercising and it's fun, it doesn't seem like exercise. It seemed like I was just coasting, but yet when I stop, it sounds like I'm on a breath, you know. So you do this for a while, it feels like you got like a full workout. Riding a skateboard, doing what you like, you know, dancing. If you like playing at the park, if you just like running up and down hills, if you like hiking, there's all kinds of things you can do to make working out and exercising seem more fun. It doesn't have to just feel like it's just a whole bunch of boring work, you know, because I've been skateboarding. First time I got a skateboard when I was a kid, you know, so for me, this is fun. It's like second nature type of fun, you know, nothing that's like extra work, you know. Sitting there running, that feels like exercise. I literally can't run as far as I can ride a skateboard. I can ride a skateboard forever and ever. Just get you some good jams, some good music, and just coast, you know, just enjoy the scenery, you know, you get your fresh air going. It just seems so much more enjoyable. It doesn't seem like work or anything. It's just enjoyable, because there's two benefits to doing things that are fun that are exercise as well. Not only do you get to relieve stress, you know, by relieving anxiety, not having to feel that the stress hormone, you get to feel the happy hormones, you know. So also working out, moving around and stuff, that helps relieve stress as well, you know. So if you could do both, work out and have fun, not only you're stress-free, you're exercising as well. That's why sports are so important, you know, because besides just the exercise and the team building, etc., just having fun, doing something that you would do anyway, that gives you exercise, relieves stress, and makes you feel good. That's what's gonna make it feel like it's not work. Woo! Woo! Because stuff like this makes you feel younger, you know? Working out, doing something that's fun, it like takes years off of your life. So instead of just every day, every moment just being stressful, hit two birds with one stone. You know you gotta work out, so do a type of workout that's fun, you know? You don't always have to just hit the gym and just lift weights or just hard workouts, because that gets boring after a while, it gets tiring after a while, and then because of the boredom, you know, that you don't get that happy feeling, you want to quit. Sometimes people will quit, and that's how people end up not getting the results they could get, you know. People just do the same thing over and over again. It's gonna get old. Look! You gotta do something, gotta live a little bit. They don't got a handle on their dog going crazy.